What led me to study at CNM was my strong interest in human health and the human body. I have an undergraduate degree in biological sciences, and I've always been very curious about health and illness and how to use food as a medium to heal the body. What I most enjoyed about CNM is the collective spirit of learning. So it was a place where people were allowed to share their views and also learn in an environment that kind of promoted a holistic view on nutrition and health. They structure it in such a way that you cover all the biomedicine parts, so you look at the physiology and anatomy of the body, and then they also go to look at pathologies. And then as you go along in the course, you evolve into nutrition, and they bring in a very practical aspect of the clinics, and the clinics kind of bring all the learning, over the years and round it off in a practical sense that really gives you the strength of being able to work with clients in person. CNM has changed my life because it's given me a platform to be able to practice as a nutritional therapist and to have my own clients and to start a business. So this is unique. My dream is to work for myself. I've been working in corporate for many, many years, and through CNM hopefully I'll be able to eventually work for myself and practice as a nutritional therapist. And that's a dream come true.